Yep, it's raining. Whoop, oh, looking all over. How are we doing, guys? Welcome back to the next episode. This one, oh, excuse me, that's sort of pre-drilling, so that's good. Just drilling out some more room there. We got the storage done, like so. 8 containers, plenty of storage, all interlinked so it all works, all fed through. That's the storage room done, and now it's time for us to get this done. So I've drilled all this out, I've sort of got a planner for what I want in here. Mainly going to be refineries and power, with disassemblers in there as well. So whether I keep it in the same style as this one, how? Different question. But we'll see how this one goes. So first of all, we're going to have engines in here. Question is, do I go there or there? They are going to go that way around. 1, 2, 3, 5. The question is, if this is going to work how I planned it, or is that, yeah, that's going to want to sit there in front, isn't it? So you're telling me that's probably going to have to go a bit further back, which I don't think it can do. So if I was to wall this off like I thought, can I get... Oh, I can do it, I thought. Another one there. Conveyor. Do we? How do we want this to look? There's no 4-way, is there? Is there a 4-way? Or does it have to go into that? I think it's gonna have to go to a junction on one of them. That one, innit? And then conveyor twos like that. And send that up. Into a 90? Well, 90. Well, that didn't go right, did it?
Energy low.
And that'll bring that out. Sorry, to there. And then... would you have it so it's like that? So technically I shouldn't need to get in here. Once it's done. Technically. So this shouldn't really get destroyed, and if it does, that's going to be a problem. Still get around there to fix them up. Weld all that up in there, that's all going to go there. The question is, do we want that there like that? Or do we have it as a T? That wants to come out one more on it, and if we go a T, as I can stretch these around to where I want them. Yeah, that. I think that'll do. Caps lock on. So we want refineries. We want the posh ones. We want 1, 2, 3. A little bit of a walkway.
Energy critical.
6. Okay, now. I think 6 is more than enough. And then assemblers. Question is, do we have 6 of these? I don't think we need 6, do we? I think 3 would be perfectly fine. Could space them out more, I suppose, rather than having it all cramped up. If I go, well, that's one distance of a gap. Call it there. And then, right, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's more back. That's better spaced, isn't it?
No energy.
Let's go get some then. Whoop. And that'll do. What's the fuck with me then? That was a bit mental. Oh, tell you what I didn't do last time over here. That. So, I think that's how we're going to have it laid out. And then link them together. Question is, do I want them linked together down here. Or do you send them straight up so they're linking the roof? Why would you could just face up like that? Try and keep it somewhat tidy. One, two, three. Hey, bloody missus interrupting. So do we have it so it all goes up and in? Because what I can do then is link all these in the top. Yeah, we'll link it out on the top. We keep stuff off the floor then. Do some decorations as well and stuff like that in here. So that's what that lot's gonna be. Walls. We need to talk walls. We need to know why that's not extending as well. Bring it back. Send it in. Bring it back. Send it in. Bring it back. Send it in. Yeah. This used to work. I used to be able to do this and it'd pull it back like that. And then smash it straight back in. Bring it back. Send it in. Bring it back. Send it in. I don't get this because it's not catching on anything. So I don't get why it's stopping. Unless it's because of the lean, unless it's because of the lean, but we did this last time. Might have to sort that. Sort that another time. Let's get on with this. Yes, so walls. Walls are gonna be here-ish. Edges. Yeah, it's about here. Now I can keep it in this sort of style, but I don't know if I want to keep using the same sort of thing. Where's the inverted one? Unless we fully make that into full, just all window. Because it is going to have a door on it, which is going to be... Yeah, you see, don't meet. Why do they not meet there? They should meet don't want to really have to use a full door. Unless... Oh, it just overextends though, doesn't it? Just overextends. Ah, that's a shame. It just cuts into them, doesn't it? What about now if we do that? Let's see where this goes. Keeps that same sort of edging style along. And then if we have that to control these. Conveyor junction in there. Then would technically work. Then come round and into them. Hey, that works. That works quite well, I think. Somewhat different. It's not gated entry. Somewhat a bit different, that, isn't it? So that would get the engines going for the power. Ooh, what I could do is sneakily put batteries up here. I'd hide batteries pretty well, I think. And if you really wanted to, put another row. Let's put some railings up there. I like it. Right then. I think that's it. I think I should get this built. Once I find out which area that goes in. So, I'm going to grab a load of bits. So if I go here, first of all, put everything back in, and then come here and go like this and go refinery and assembler. Should have everything to start building these up. Other than it turns out steel plates for some reason.
Energy low.
I wonder why. Why not? I could have sworn I put absolutely tons of these on order. Yeah, I thought they were in that back corner. Of course I've just got rid of all my fecking interior plates and I. Get in, come on. I'm trying to get this done before I run out of power. Run that one there, and 7, that one, and then that'll be on there. Which means we can then just straight pipe these. Cool. That should get a fair bit done. So we are quite racked with stone. Yes, we are. So, what I'm thinking then is we need to get this stuff going then, don't we?
Energy critical.
Of course it is. Of course it is. Whoa. So, the one thing that I don't have at the minute then is H2. So, don't have H2 stuff down there, but that should be all that's left up top after this. Problem is I don't want to unplug it from the grid yet. Like all the farm and stuff. I don't think that'd be a wise idea, because still, this is the only thing that's keeping that grid. And that, altogether. Don't really want to get rid of all that yet. Not till this room's up and running, at least, I don't think. And we've got power. That's never good. There's a shadow that's closing in. We've got a battle! We've got some fighting!
Fuel low.
Oof, 7, that saved pretty early. You know, I'm not even going to risk that.
Fuel critical.
That's pretty insistent on getting close, isn't it? They can shoot for miles, them. Chill out, man, it's going. Proper having a pop. Wait, it's out of range. Right, back to what we were. No, it's not. Back to what we're doing. It's not close enough for me to warrant just standing there and watching all my cannons go. Oh. Why is it going back? Oh, that's really getting close now. That clearly wants some. Taking good hits. I don't think that's a small ship either. That's a big ship, I think. Why is it going? I wonder why it's going away. It's taking hits though. Keep the eye on it. If it comes back, we'll jump up and see what's going on with it. I hope I can get that from inside. Yeah. What does it keep giving me these for then? Keeps on giving me steel. they keep on giving me steel for? Oh, down here. Just go around, man. Save yourself. Genuinely thought it were going to do me over on last one then. I need a link. As well though. I need to put some links in. I suppose I still could. I don't get it, it's flying away and it's coming back, so it gets everything it deserves. So if I go straight out. You see it's backing off again now. Just about to go up and see what it were doing. And 70. Can't make its mind up that shadow. If I can get all this starting to be linked. Right, so it's here. So we are just gonna do
Energy low.
that then, basically. Still 184. We got not enough stuff. That's 2. Up and running. I can't be running out of stuff.
Energy critical.
Shit. Maybe I am. That's going down, that, isn't it? That's definitely going down, is that? Have I just missed that? Ah, have I just missed that being taken out? If I've missed that being taken out, that's fucking... These are well badass things. What are they? Whirlwind lightning cannons. That's ridiculous if that's taken them out. I really want to have a look, but I really want to get this done as well. I need to sort this out right. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to get all this welded up. And then I'm going to go to like a camera view and see if I can track down that shadow. In fact, no, I'm just going to leave this. We'll just track down that shadow. Let's go and get some energy. And let's track down that where that shadow's gone. Right, so one of these should no. Right. Spectator tool. Free. So does that mean I could have sworn one of these should have put me in free camera mode? Spectator tool. Okay. That's not the right one. I don't know what it's doing so far we're recording now. That's not what I wanted. Right, I'm going to have to do it a different way then. Cycle objects. Characters, biggest grids. I know, I shouldn't really do it this way, but I really want to see if I've just taken out... Is that the parallax? Oh, I can do it like this. No, because I'm over there. What the hell with this? What's took this down? Don't know what that is. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Right, base is here. That should have... down. Well, that was shooting over there. 1.7. It looked like it came down on. Now, to me, should have been over here, shouldn't it? It's a drone. I smashed into the floor. I can't find it. Oh. Oh well. We had a look. Turns out I can't find it. That's a shame. Really wanted to see that. H2 we're doing alright. That should all be gone next time, pretty much. Right, back down. Right, what were I doing? What were we doing? Nope. Assembler's got no iron in it. Because it's full of shite. I know I've got loads of iron tucked away somewhere. Look at that, there you go. Everything's full of stone from that. From me drilling. Right. Computers. I should have loads of computers. There's another one up and running. Computers in that one. Motors, metal grids, lead steel tubes, construction comps. Oh shit.
Health low.
Jesus. Right. Large steel tubes, large steel tubes. That's fine. I say I've got plenty of them. Because then it's literally just the steel plates. Ooh. I say I should have these. Should have put them in that. Keep forgetting it's linked now. It's all linked, which means it should all work. Technically. I think. Should be able to get these up and running as well. Should. Right. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to knock this all off. So we can get it finished in this outway, so you can see it as it is all built up in this episode. So bear with me while I work my magic. 2 minutes. Oh, turns out we've got one that's having a go. Parallax are coming after me. Just doing some painting. Here it is, there it goes. Managed to get a few shots off though. Let's damage the tower up there. Straight away though. straight away it's took 2 Gatling guns out. Didn't even get a shot off on it. It's coming back for round 2. Although that's got to have taken some heavy damage. I can see there's some stuff burnt. It looks like there is some stuff that is on fire on it though. Sit here and watch it for the next 20 minutes. Keeps changing its mind. Oh, it's changed its course. Don't think that's the best tower for defence, to be honest. I don't get what it's doing. Raspberry's alright though. I don't know if it's the AI that can't make its mind up. Whether it wants to attack or it don't. And it's going to be a good test because these Robantine Mark II, these are big ships. So if I take this down, I know I've done something right with my towers. But I think we are going to need some more weapons. Yeah, is he dropping because he's got no power? Is he dropping? No. I think he's moving out, isn't he? Well, there's some repairs to be done, but there you go, a little bit of battle in that one as well. Right, I'll get back to it before I reveal too much of what's happened. Bear with me. Hi guys, welcome back. Yeah, well, it's been 2 minutes for you, it's been 3 hours for me. I've got it done. Boom. Nice. It is completed on the front. Obviously I need to add some colour, which I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep it as concrete, because well, it is concrete. Yeah, so that's not gonna happen, because I might have H2. But I have enough stuff to quickly build something to fill my gas balls tanks back up. But moving on, more to the important thing, the big reveal. Front of it, get some colour on there in a minute. Doors are opening, just 3 airtight doors. And boom. I've kept the theme of... Turn my light off. Is it better on? Off? On? Off? Nah, we'll leave it off. For the ambience. We have everything up and running now. All the modules on the back of the refineries to help them speed up. Obviously some red lighting up top just to change it up a bit. With some double lights. I've walled a little bit off back there because I have drilled through and connected everything up basically. So this is now attached to the top. Catwalks have been put in, so you can come up here, and come around here, and boom, we're on catwalks. These are all in. It's the same on the other side with the catwalks. We've kept with beams. for that rustic look, like it's holding the place up. Come back down. Still some more things that I'm going to add, just a bit of detailing, but not too much. Keeping with the wall, I'm probably going to add some of like these. Just to blend it in a bit better. Now we're going to keep them green as well. Keep them green. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. There's no lighting down here, because you're not really going to need to walk around there, but floor's lit up, roof's lit up. Come round here, this is also lit up so you can have a walk around. Everything's connected. It seems to be running okay. Engines are back there. There's no lights in there so you can't see through, but 5 engines, you can just see the dots on the floor.
Critical.
All connected up. And I've used this here, basically behind here is where that one there, you can see it. That one there is the one that's holding the top base to this down here now. So it's literally all linked together. We should all be running. I imagine we've run out of stone now. Yeah. So we've used all the stone, because these have just smashed through it. So I've just got to continue drilling that way. Put the H2 stuff in. And then it's finishing touches really, and getting it so we can create some fighters and fly them straight out. But first I'm going to drill quite far that way, because I think that's going to be where the runway is going to be, so we can fly straight out. But we'll see yet. There's no lights around this bit yet, because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this here yet. But I can bring all this down now and link it all together, so that should be fun. I'll probably just do that in parts just to get it done. Obviously I need to think about a door on there and what I'm going to do for a door, but that's for later. So, hopefully you enjoyed this episode. I shall see you in a bit. Peace.